Oh, look it. He even has a compartment there. Whoa. This one has so he doesn't sleep in this one for very long. Wow. This is a nice truck. Oh, and he has a little curtain that wraps around. Oh, and he has a little curtain that wraps around. I'm guessing only passengers have that little window in this truck. Wow, look at the dash. I like how they have all these dash buttons, air brakes, and I think that's hydraulics. Or, no, that's emergency brakes, I think. Or the other way around, but... Wow, this one has a lot of lights and stuff too, and it has a lot of speakers. I've never seen that though. Well, the funnest thing of all, I'll tell you right now, is the CB radios. That is fun. Talking to all the truckers sounds like fun. Now, I did not know there were buttons up here as well. On both sides. I think that's for talking on the phone though. But I don't know. And correct me if I'm wrong, I don't know what this lever is. Wow. There's a lot of stuff. And I didn't know that cigarette lighters were way out of reach almost. I think you could put a newer radio in, but this is just as good because it has CDs if you really want to bring your CD collection along. Or if you're wanting to listen to smartphone music, you could do that too. And this radio might be both actually. Might be Bluetooth as well as CD radio. Oh, and there is a clutch. Okay. There is, I think that pedal there, the second one there, is the clutch. And I think that's your brakes. The other ones are your normal pedals. And you have lots of little cubbies up there. I know this isn't a super big truck, but at least this has the room. And these trucks are, I don't know if they're called standard, but these trucks have different gears. That's why it's called 18-wheeler. Because I don't know if the truck's considered 18-wheeler, but I know the trailers. And I didn't know. There's some pretty cool buttons on these trucks. Oh, and more storage in the door. Okay, you ready? Trucks are high up, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, it's only when so it's only when the trucks are hooked up to the hydraulics that they're considered, or to the trailers, that they're considered 18 wheelers. And this is a pretty nice truck. I like that as a boom crane, or a truck, pretty nice. No. That would be funny. I actually said that when I was younger, I'd have a chauffeur. If I said that about a fancy car, like a Dodge Charger.
You're only stuck with 3.5 ton, aren't you?
I think so.
Huh?
I think so.
Yeah.
And it's only 3.5 ton within the first 5 feet.
Oh, big time.
It's actually kind of impressive how fast.
Can you get?
Said it's impressive how fast your waiver does.
Oh, big time.
Can you get a bigger? Or can you get a truck that hauls more?
Oh yeah, you can get a bigger crane.
But that. Oh, it's only the crane that costs that much.
No, no problem.
It's only the crane that costs that much.
It's not cost fuel to come down.
I'd love to see you in checker.
Thank you. You're talking me or Jeff? Are you okay if you're in the shot?
So if the front of the fifth.
Now my cousin is showing me the crane on his transport truck. And I think you guys will like it. So yeah, because it's different and I've never seen a crane actually functioning on a transport truck in action. Crane is now going back. They're putting it away now, and I think it's very interesting to watch. It's something different, I'll tell you that, because you don't always get to see cranes, and you don't always, well, at least up close like this, you don't always get to see them.